Did you know that consumers worldwide spent a staggering $4.2 trillion on online shopping in the year 2020? That's right. The convenience of browsing through digital aisles from the comfort of our homes has indeed revolutionized the way we shop. This growing trend of online shopping isn't slowing down anytime soon. In fact, it's rapidly accelerating, with more and more people choosing to click and buy rather than walk into physical stores. And can we blame them? With the vast variety of products available at our fingertips, it's no wonder people prefer the digital marketplace. But here's the kicker. This massive shift to online shopping means we're spending more money online than ever before. And as we all know, every dollar counts. That's why it's so important to be savvy about our online spending habits. With so much money spent online, it's crucial to find ways to save while shopping. And that's exactly what we're going to delve into next. Stay tuned. Now let's dive into our first tip: comparing prices. Imagine you're in a vast digital marketplace with countless shops at your fingertips. The key to saving money here is not to rush in and buy the first item you see, but to practice the art of comparing prices. It's like a treasure hunt, where the treasure is the best deal. There are numerous websites and apps designed specifically for this purpose. They fetch prices from different online retailers for the same product, enabling you to see where you can get the best deal. Some even provide history of the price fluctuations, so you can see if it's the right time to buy or if you should wait for a price drop. Sites like PriceGrabber or Google Shopping are your allies in this hunt. They pull up prices from various online retailers to help you find the lowest possible price for your desired item. Apps like ShopSavvy or Buyvia can also be handy tools, allowing you to compare prices on the go. Another great tool is Honey, a browser extension that automatically searches for and applies coupon codes at checkout, but also shows you the price history of an item. This way, you can see if you're getting a truly good deal or if the item is often available at a lower price. Remember, a little time spent comparing prices can save you a lot of money in the long run. The internet is a vast marketplace, but with the right tools and a bit of patience, you can navigate it like a pro, always securing the best deals. Another powerful tool in your online shopping arsenal is the use of coupons and discounts. Just like in physical stores, online retailers offer an array of money-saving opportunities through coupons and discounts. The trick lies in knowing where to find them and how to use them effectively. Many online shops offer first-time user discounts, so it's worth exploring new online stores. But don't stop there. Regular customers are often rewarded with loyalty discounts and exclusive deals, so sticking with your favorite store can also be fruitful. Then there's the world of online coupon websites. These platforms, such as RetailMeNot and Honey, collate thousands of discount codes and deals from a multitude of online stores. All you need to do is search for your chosen store or product, and the site will present you with a list of current deals. With a simple click, you can apply these codes at checkout and watch the total cost of your purchase drop. Don't forget about cashback apps as well. These platforms like Rakuten and Swagbucks reward you with a percentage of your purchase back in cash, effectively meaning you pay less for your items. But remember, the key to using coupons and discounts effectively is to only use them for items you were already planning to buy. It's not saving money if you're buying unnecessary items just because you have a coupon. With the right coupons and discounts, you can slash your online shopping bills significantly. Timing also plays a crucial role in online shopping. Ever noticed how prices seem to fluctuate throughout the year? That's no coincidence. Retailers often offer better deals during certain times, so being aware of these cycles can save you a pretty penny. For instance, electronics generally see a price drop around Black Friday, while furniture tends to be cheaper during the summer months. The same rule applies to the days of the week. Did you know that many online stores change their prices midweek? So shopping on a Wednesday might just score you a better deal than on a Saturday. And let's not forget about online sales. These typically happen during holidays, end of seasons, or even at the end of the month when retailers are trying to meet their sales targets. So keep an eye on the calendar and the clock to grab the best deals. Lastly, let's talk about the often overlooked tools, wish lists, and shopping carts. These are not just spaces to hoard all those items you've been eyeing. They are your secret weapons to smart shopping. Imagine this. You found a pair of sneakers you adore, but they're a bit pricey. Instead of making an impulse purchase, add them to your wish list or shopping cart and wait. Over time, you can monitor the price changes right from your list or cart. You'd be surprised how often prices fluctuate online. They could decrease significantly during a sale or promotional period, and that's your cue to swoop in and make a cost-effective purchase. But the benefits don't stop at price tracking. Wish lists and shopping carts also help you stay organized. You can categorize your items, keep tabs on what you want to buy now or later, or even plan for future purchases. And the best part? It's all in one place, making it easier for you to manage your online shopping. Now, numerous websites and apps offer these tools. Amazon, for instance, has both a save for later option and a wish list feature. Similarly, eBay offers a watch list where you can store items of interest and track their prices. Apps like Honey and Camel even send you alerts when the price of an item in your list drops, saving you the hassle of constantly checking. So next time you're browsing through an online store, remember to utilize these tools. Add items to your shopping cart or wish list, keep an eye on the prices, and make your move when the time is right. This way, you're not just shopping, you're shopping smart. By harnessing the power of wish lists and shopping carts, you can save money without sacrificing the things you want to buy.